Assalamu alaikum. This is Sakib. Welcome to my channel Programming with Sakib. So today we are going to solve Codeforces round 966 and Deep 3. Problem A, primary task. So usually I don't read the question, but today I'm going to read the question because I'm feeling that it's important today's question to read. So I'm going to start. Dimitri wrote down t integers on the board, and that is good. He is sure that he lost an important integer, n, among them, and that is bad. The integer n had the form 10 to the power x. As usually, we use this cap to mention that it's the power of something. So I'm reading the questions. After that, you will understand why they use this. X is less or equal to, where the symbol cap denotes exponential exponentiation sometimes went wrong, and Dimitri missed the symbol cap when writing the important integer. For example, instead of the integer 10 to the power 5, he would have written 105. So it's a massive wrong because 10 to the power 5 is a huge number and 105 is so little about. And instead of 10 to the power 19, he wrote 119. It's again that 10 to the power 19 is a huge number, and 119 is so much little number. So we have to solve this problem. If now Dimitri wants to understand the which integers on the board could have been important integer and which could not. So if I directly solved, I have solved the problem. So if I showed the problem solution directly, you won't understand. So I have read the question today. So these are the test cases. 100. Here's 10 to the power 2, but 10 to the power 100 that. Okay, as we can see, 10 and 10. Okay, so Dimitri missed this 10 to the power 10 into 110, like 10 to the power 19 into 119. But in 100, he didn't miss that 10 to the power 0. Okay, so this is no. And 110 he missed, so it's yes. 101, it's no, because 101 turns into 1. Because something power to the power 1, something power is 1, then it becomes 1. Again 10 to the power 5, 105 he missed because it could be 100 to the power 5. So we can solve this problem using mod function and equal using if and else. So there is a big size of condition I used. You can use else if otherwise, but I solved this in one line because it was helpful for me. N divided by n. At first we take the test cases because in the test cases we saw the first line is test case. After that we are taking input integer n, and we are going to divide with that divide it with 100,000, because 10 to the power something turns into 100 times bigger than before. So n is n divided by 1000 if it's equal to 10, and n mod 1000 greater or equal 10 100. As you can, I'm not explaining that all those conditions, but you can see this code. So if this condition fulfill, then it prints yes, otherwise it prints no. So let's submit this solution. I hope it would be accepted. Accepted. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll try to answer. Today's problem A, now that I have solved, I have showed, it was just little bit of critical for beginners. As I can say, I can solve A, B, C, but I can't explain B or C quite good. So for A, I can explain for beginners, and B or C, I'm trying. So in day by day, I'm going making my progress. So if you have any questions, comment down below. I'll try to answer, and I will look forward to problem solving. See you in another video.